Good day. Welcome to another series of Mathematics Just Got Easier with DR Tutors. In today's class, we are going to be talking about the vertex form of a quadratic equation. What is the vertex form of a quadratic equation? The vertex form of a quadratic equation is represented by y equals a into bracket x minus h all squared plus k. Now, we also have the vertex which is either the highest point or the lowest point of the quadratic graph, is represented by h, k, where h is the x coordinate of the vertex and it can be found using minus b divided by 2a. Well, when you talk about the h will tell you whether the graph is shifting to the left or to the right. If the value of h is positive, it means it shifts to the right. If the value of h is negative, it means it shifts to the left. Then we also have k. Now, k in the vertex is simply the y coordinate of the vertex, and it tells you whether the graph moves up or down the y-axis. Now, the vertex, as I said, tells us about the lowest or highest point where the graph changed direction. It also tells us about the turning point of the graph. Now, in the vertex form, we have talked about h and k, then we have a. Now, if a is positive, it means the graph opens upward, that is, the vertex will be at the lowest point. This is what I mean. In the graph of a quadratic equation, if a is positive, it will open upward. If a is negative, the graph will open downward. So, which means the vertex will be at the highest point. In the next class, we are going to be taking an example on how to actually write an equation in the vertex form and also finding the vertex of a quadratic equation. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.